Proceed NCERT exercise 7.3 of integration. In the previous video we had completed till question number 6. Now we see question number 7. I equals to integration sin 4x into sin 8x dx. Sin 4x into sin 8x dx. So in the first step, multiply and divide by 2. Multiply and divide by 2. So we get 1 by 2 integration 2 sin 4x into sin 8x dx. 2 sin 4x into sin 8x dx, and we use the formula 2 sin A into sin B. 2 sin A into sin B equals to cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. We use the formula 2 sin A into sin B, which is cos A minus B minus cos A plus B, and at the place of A we have 4x, and at the place of B we have 8x. So use the formula 1 by 2 integration 2 sin A into sin B, which is cos A minus B 4x minus 8x minus cos A plus B 4x plus 8x and dx. So 1 by 2 integration cos 4x minus 8x, cos minus 4x, and cos minus theta is equals to cos theta, cos minus 4x, which is equals to cos of 4x. Cos of minus theta equals to plus cos theta. So it gives cos 4x and minus cos 4x plus 8x, cos 12x and dx. Then we separate the terms. So 1 by 2 integration cos 4x dx minus 1 by 2 integration cos 12x dx. Integration of cos theta is sin theta. So 1 by 2 sin 4x, and remove cos and differentiate 4x. Differentiation of 4x is 4. So divide by 4. Minus 1 by 2 integration of cos 12x is sin 12x, and then remove cos and differentiation of 12x is 12 plus c. Then 1 by 8 sin 4x minus 1 by 24 sin 12x and plus 6. We can take common. 1 by 8 is taken common from both the terms. So we get sin 4x minus 1 by 3 and sin 12x and plus c. This is the final result. Now question number 8. Question number 8. 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. Integration 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x dx. So we expand on the formula. There is a formula 1 minus cos theta equals to 2 sin square theta by 2, and 1 plus cos theta is equals to 2 cos squared theta by 2. So we expand on this formula. So we get 1 minus cos x 2 sin square x by 2 and 1 plus cos x 2 cos square x by 2 dx. 2 and 2 gets cancelled and it comes sin square x by 2 by cos square x by 2 tan square x by 2 dx. Now we express tan square theta in terms of sec square theta. So tan square theta is written as sec square x by 2 minus 1 and dx. Remove the separate both the terms sec square x by 2 dx minus integration of dx. And integration of sec square theta is equals to tan theta. So integration of sec square x by 2, it becomes tan x by 2. Then we remove sec square and differentiate x by 2. And differentiation of x by 2 is 1 by 2. So divided by 1 by 2 minus integration of dx is x plus c. 1 upon 1 by 2. This becomes 2 tan x by 2 minus x plus c. 2 tan x by 2 minus x plus c. Question number 9. Cos x upon 1 plus cos x. Integration cos x upon 1 plus cos x. So in the numerator we add 1 and subtract 1. In the numerator adding 1, add 1 and subtract 1. 1 minus 1. Add 1 and subtract 1. Then separate the terms. We can write in this way. 1 plus cos x upon 1 plus cos x dx minus integration dx upon 1 plus cos x. So 1 plus cos x gets cancelled and we get integration of dx minus integration of dx upon the formula for 1 plus cos x which we have used in previous question. 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. Integration of dx is x minus 1 by 2 is the constant term taken outside and 1 by cos square x by 2 is written as sec square x by 2. So we get x minus 1 by 2. Integration of sec square theta is tan theta. So tan x by 2 and differentiation of x by 2 is 1 by 2 plus c. 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 cancelled and we get the result x minus tan x by 2 and plus c. Question number 10. Sin 4x. Integration of sin 4x dx. So sin 4x can be written as sin square x the whole square. Sin 4x can be written as sin square x the whole square. And the formula for sin square theta. The formula for sin square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. The formula for sin square theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. So sin square will be written 1 minus cos 2 theta. At the place of theta we have x. So 1 minus cos 2x by 2, the whole square and dx. So 1 by 2 the whole square taken outside, 1 by 4 integration, and it remains 1 minus cos 2x, the whole square dx. Now this will be expanded on the formula a minus b the whole square. So 1 by 4 integration a minus b the whole square, a square minus 2ab and plus b square cos square x cos square 2x and whole dx. We separate the terms, so 1 by 4 integration of dx minus 2 integration of cos 2x dx and plus integration of cos square 2x dx. Then we separate all the terms by multiplying 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 integration dx minus 2 by 4, which becomes 1 by 2 integration cos 2x dx and plus 1 by 4 integration cos square 2x dx. So integration of dx, it becomes x 1 by 4 x minus 1 by 2 integration of cos 2x. Integration of cos 2x is sin 2x and remove cos, then differentiate 2x. Differentiation of 2x is 2 plus 1 by 4 integration cos square theta. Integration in a square form, in power form is not possible. So cos square theta can be written as cos square theta is equals to 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. So cos square 2x is at the place of theta there is 2x. At the place of theta there is 2x. So it becomes 1 plus cos 2 theta and theta is 2x. So 2 into 2x 4x. So we get 1 plus cos 4x by 2. 1 plus cos 4x by 2 and dx. Then we remove the bracket. So 1 by 4x, which is also written x by 4 minus sin 2x by 4 minus sin 2x by 4, and this will be separated 1 by 4, 4 into 2, 1 by 8 integration dx plus 1 by 8 integration dx and 1 by 8 integration cos 4x dx plus 1 by 8 integration cos 4x dx. So x by 4 minus sin 2x by 4 plus 1 by 8 integration of dx is x plus 1 by 8 integration of cos 4x is sin 4x and differentiation of 4x is 4 plus c. So we get x by 4 minus sin 2x by 4 plus x by 8 and plus sin 4x by 32 and plus c. X by 4 and x by 2, they are similar terms. So taking LCM from x by 4 and x by 8, the LCM we get 8. So 2x plus x, 3x by 8. These two when added, they become 3x by 8 minus sine 2x by 4 and plus sine 4x by 32 and plus c. We can take 4h common. So 1 by 4, it remains 3x by 2 minus sine 2x and plus sine 4x by 8 plus c. Or we can left up to this stage. This is also correct. So the final result is 1 by 4 3x by 2 minus sine 2x plus sine 4x by 8. So what we did, firstly we separate this sine 4x is written as sine square x the whole square. Then sine s, we use the formula for sine square theta, 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 the whole square. Then we expanded on the formula a minus b the whole square and 1 by 2 the whole square is written 1 by 4. Then we separate, and then in the last again we use the formula for cos square theta, which is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. At the place of theta there is 2x. So 1 plus cos 2 theta, 2 into 2x, it becomes 4x. Then separated those terms and we get the result. Now next question, integration cos 4 2x dx. Question number 11. Cos 4 2x dx. Integration cos raised to the power 4 and 2x dx. So at the place of theta there is 2x. So firstly we will write cos square 2x the whole square dx, and we use the formula cos square theta. So cos square theta is equals to 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Theta multiplied by 2. Here theta is 2x. So 2x multiplied by 2. We get 1 plus cos 4x by 2 the whole square and dx. We use the formula cos square theta, but the place of theta there was 2x. So 2 multiplied by 2x, it becomes 4x. So 1 plus cos 4x by 2 the whole square. Now 1 by 2 the whole square, it becomes 1 by 4. Integration 1 plus cos 4x the whole square and dx. Now we expand on the formula a plus b the whole square. So a square plus 2ab and plus b square. So b square means cos square 4x and dx. Now we separate the terms. So 1 by 4 integration dx plus 2 by 4 means 1 by 2 integration cos 4x dx, then plus 1 by 4 integration cos square and 4x dx. So integration of dx is x, we get x by 4 plus 1 by 2. Integration of cos 4x, is sin 4x by 4, and this again expanded on the formula cos squared theta. So we have to find cos squared 4x at the place of theta. At the place of theta we have 4x, then formula becomes 1 plus cos 2 into theta. So 2 into 4x, it becomes 8x. So the formula for cos squared 4x is 1 plus cos 8x by 2. So 1 by 4 integration and 1 plus cos 8x by 2 and dx. So x by 4, x by 4 plus sin 4x by 8, sin 4x by 8, and this term will be separated 4 into 2, 8. So 1 by 8 integration 1 into dx, dx plus 1 by 8 integration cos 8x dx, cos 8x dx. So we get x by 4 plus sin 4x by 8. Integration of dx is x. So x by 8 plus 1 by 8 integration of cos 8x. This is sin 8x, and differentiation of 8x is 8. So divided by 8 plus c. Then we get x by 4 plus sin 4x by 8 plus x by 8 plus sin 8x by 8 into 8, 64 plus c. X by 4 plus x by 8. They are similar terms. Taking LCM 8, we get 2x plus x, 3x by 8. So 3x by 8 plus sin 4x by 8 and plus sin 8x by 64 plus c. From all these terms we can take 1 by 8 as common, or we can left the result up to this state. So we get 3x plus sin 4x plus sin 8x upon 8 and plus c. This is the final result. Now question number 10. This is integration of question number 11, then question number 12. Sin square x upon 1 plus cos x dx. Integration sin square x upon 1 plus cos x, 1 plus cos x and dx. So sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos square x upon 1 plus cos x and dx. 1 minus cos square x. This will be expanded on the formula a square minus b square, because 1 can be written as 1 square also. So a plus b and a minus b. 1 minus cos square x can be written as 1 plus cos x, 1 minus cos x, and upon 1 plus cos x and dx. So 1 plus cos x gets cancelled and it remains 1 minus cos x and dx. Separate the terms. So integration of dx minus integration of cos x dx. Integration of dx is x. Integration of cos x is sin x plus c. So the result x minus sin x plus c. Question number 13. Integration cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha. Cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha upon cos x minus cos alpha and dx. So we expand cos 2x on the formula. Cos 2x is written as 2 cos square x minus 1. Cos 2 theta is written as 2 cos square theta minus 1. This is the formula for cos 2 theta in terms of cos 2 theta in terms of cos theta. Cos 2 theta equals to 2 cos square theta minus 1. So cos 2x is written as 2 cos square x minus 1. Then cos 2 alpha is also written in the same form. 2 cos square alpha minus 1 upon cos x minus cos alpha and dx. We remove the bracket 2 cos square x minus 1 and minus 2 cos square alpha and minus plus 1 upon cos x minus cos alpha and dx. Plus 1 and minus 1 gets cancelled. From both the terms we can take 2 as common. So cos square x minus cos square alpha upon cos x minus cos alpha dx. This will be expanded on the formula a square minus b square. So cos x minus cos alpha and cos x plus cos alpha upon cos x minus cos alpha and dx. Cos x minus cos alpha gets cancelled and separate the term. So 2 integration cos x dx plus 2 cos alpha is also constant term taken outside. 2 cos alpha integration dx. Integration of cos x is sin x plus integration of dx is x. So 2x cos alpha plus c. This is the final result. 2 sin x plus 2x cos alpha and plus c. Now question number 14. Question number 14. This is cos x minus sin x. Integration cos x minus sin x upon 1 plus sin 2x. 1 plus sin 2x dx. So numerator will be written as it is cos x minus sin x upon, at the place of 1, for 1 we can write cos square x plus sin square x. In denominator at the place of 1 we can write cos square x plus sin square x, and sin 2x is written as 2 sin x into cos x. 2 sin x into cos x. So we get integration cos x minus sin x dx upon this becomes cos x plus sin x the whole square. Now we put sin x plus cos x, also written sin x plus cos x equals to t, and differentiate both sides with respect to x. So differentiation of sin x is cos x, differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, and differentiation of t with respect to x, dt by dx. So we get cos x minus sin x and dx equals to dt. We get cos x minus sin x dx equals to dt. And from first number equation, from first, I equals to integration at the place of cos x minus sin x dx, we write dt upon t square, which can be written as t raised to the power minus 2 dt, and this will be integrated on the form x raised to the power n. So t raised to the power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus c, we get t raised to the power minus 1 by minus 1 plus c, means minus 1 by t plus c, and put the value of t. The value of t is sin x plus cos x. So minus 1 by sin x plus cos x minus 1 by sin x plus cos x and plus c, minus 1 by sin x plus cos x and plus c.